Valentine.
The character I've put Blair.
Guys, welcome to Ritika's YouTube.
I don't like it.
What the hell? Oh!
Hi guys, good morning. Sorry, I do not like speaking right in the morning, so I just made myself some breakfast and now I'm gonna journal side by side while eating, and then I'll tell you what's the plan for the day. So finally, hello guys, I have eaten, so I'm not hungry now and I can finally speak. I just am not a morning person. I don't like speaking when I wake up. I just need my own time. And now I've made my bed, and let me tell you the plan for today. So firstly, I have to go to the gym, and then we have done Galentine's gift exchange, so I'm really excited for that. So like, I have two best friends and all of us have sent gifts to each other. We had a budget of 2,000 per person, so basically we spent 4k on the gifts. My friends were actually really scared to send me gifts because I do not like anything, so they have instructed me that whether you like it or not, you pretend to like it. I can't. My face says it all. I cannot pretend it. And I am so shameless. I'll just say if I don't like it, I don't like it. And also, my best friend E has sent like a few gifts to Musu, and I do not like one of them. I just have a feeling that even Musu will not like it, but she will pretend because she is the goody girl. But I told her, I like, this is really bad. She is going to be so pissed at me for saying this out loud, but Musu will agree with me. That was not nice. So I have sent like 5 gifts to Musu, but one of them has not been delivered, and I sent 4 to Ishita, and I'm really excited for them to open. And they have also sent me, Ishita has sent me like 3 gifts and Musu has sent 4, I think. So I'm really excited to open. We're gonna open it together on a video call, so we'll have it sometime during the day, I think. I'm just gonna do some work and then I'll get ready for gym. So yeah, firstly I have to do my brush and skincare actually. So let's start the day. I called my best friend just to wish her Valentine's and just to talk to her, tell her my plan for the day and take her advice if I should go on a solo date or whatever. And we ended up talking for literally an hour in the middle of the day. And now I was like, you know what, let's cut this call. I have things to do and it's already lunchtime. I have barely worked. And I've also not gone to the gym yet, but we have decided that we'll have our gift opening ceremony thing at 4 p.m. It is like 2 p.m. right now, so I'm just gonna have lunch. Maybe I'll change for my gym and I'll go to the gym after the after the gift opening thing. So yeah, now let's have lunch. My salad is here and they're making my food. And in the meantime, I'm making this for my friends, like which animal do I see them as, which place, which plant. So it's gonna be very nice. And they'll make it for me, like what plant do they think I am, basically a flower, or what hobby they think I am. So I hope it's gonna be really interesting and it's gonna be really fun. This is my lunch. I'm having quinoa, dal and tofu. And I don't know, I just turned on the TV and they were playing Tumse Hi. That is literally my happy song and I have good memories with that song because my sister and I literally danced here on that song and I have some core memories. So I just got really happy. And Jab We Met is playing. So usually I watch Netflix, but the moment I turned on the TV, Jab We Met was playing. So that is what we're gonna watch. And I'm just gonna eat my food. So I've made a Google Calendar invite and now I'm gonna send this to them. I've written, will you go on a virtual Galentine's date? And I've added Galentine's date. So let's just send the invite. Let's send it. Yay! Guys, so I've changed for my date. I'm wearing red and I've told everyone else to wear red also. And now they have joined the call and they're waiting for me. So I'm also gonna join. Happy Galentine's! So this is what I have made for Musu.
Mountains, because Ritika is a very mountain kind of person.
I am.
Then for flower, I put lilies because they're very, very pretty and they're so expensive.
They are tulips,
Not
Musu.
a lot of people.
These are tulips, but I love tulips.
Tulips, sorry. Not
I
lilies,
was
tulips.
hoping कि कोई tulips डाले मेरे लिए.
Because they're very, very precious, but not a lot of people know about them and they have to be taken a lot of care of, but they're very pretty. The character I put Blair because Blair.
And with a
For season I
crown.
put- with a crown. For season I've put Spring.
Ah,
For
yes.
hobby I've put Pilates because मुझे याद है Ritika wanted to do Pilates for the gym and there's a camera also for the vlogging and then there's the zipper also.
Oh.
And there's YouTube. So that's hobby. For fruit, for food, I've put yogurt, bowl, and smoothies. For color, I put pink and baby pink with a lot of butterflies and stuff. And for food, I've kept coffee, but this is sugar-free coffee with protein because she really cares about all the protein that she's taking.
Wow. That
this
is perfect.
Ritika. Now we'll go to Ishita. So this is actually she's tall but हाथ में छोटी सी baby लगती है.
I just want to say ew.
Why?
नहीं मुझे ducks देख के उल्टी सा लगता है, गंदी सी unhygienic.
But this is how I will.
Okay. Like an irritating duckling eating your ear.
Yes, जो चटर पटर करते रहते हैं सभी कर रही है. Then this is tea.
Okay.
Beach type का place with pearls and stuff. I said pink roses for plant.
Okay.
This is beach for place Bali, Thailand type की जगह. This is fashion
Hobby.
as a hobby. मैंने
हाँ
पहले
मुझे
rap
लगा
बोला
था कि मेरे लिए fashion as a hobby होगा. एक जना तो डालेगा. Shopping.
This is Alexis.
Oh, Alexis. I almost forgot about
Alexis
Alexis.
is so Ritika.
Ew. 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 Ew, David. Ew, what?
Ew.
Pink obviously color में.
से भी
this is
same
healthy.
bowl डाला है.
And this is cold coffee.
This is more accurate iced latte.
Yes.
I love both.
Coffee without sugar.
Hi guys, welcome to Ritika's YouTube channel. So I'll open my first gift. I don't know where to look. I'm so bad at this. But take it. It's matcha. I will guess Ishita gifted me this.
That is correct.
So I will open the second gift now. I have done the मेहनत पहले मैंने cutting करके रखी है so that we don't waste time. So the second gift, it's a cup, and I know what cup it is. Ritika, did you give me a heart-shaped cup?
No, I didn't.
Ishita, you gifted me the heart-shaped cup. Oh, I wanted this for a very long time.
I have the same cup. And Ishita knows I have the same cup.
Third. Matcha again. I have 2 matchas now. And a cup to drink it in.
Guess करो इसने दिया है।
इशिता
नहीं
अच्छा
सेम चीज ऑर्डर करी।
Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna open my gifts. I'm very excited, and you guys are scared. Okay, so I'm starting with this one. What is this?
This is mine.
You don't have to tell, I have to guess.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, let me open. What is this? I don't like
You
it.
have to open it.
I don't like it. And I am so shameless. I'll just say if I don't like it, I don't like it.
It's like I don't give gifts to it.
This is like
These are crystal.
this is like too
You have to open
ethnic.
it.
This is too ethnic for me. I don't like it.
It has a spiritual meaning behind it.
I like the thought.
It's for all the chakras in your life.
Thank you. Now let's open the next one. She's Musu is holding her head.
Bro,
ये किसने दी है?
ये मैंने दिया है.
What the hell? I like it. It is very cute. But you will know कि मैंने reaction जो दिए वो मैंने क्यों दिए. You will know in like the next 5 minutes.
Don't tell me. Did you order the same thing for me?
I ordered the same thing for you.
I ordered the same thing for Ishita.
Oh god. Now we all have matching bottles and literally मैंने same color में order किया है मुस्सू तेरा.
This is such a good moment.
Oh my god.
What did I got mine?
Musu and I literally sent the same bottle to each other. Same color.
And I sent the same to Ishita because I thought we should have the same thing. So I have the same.
And Musu, तेरे पे मैंने butterfly दी. अच्छा तूने भी butterfly दी है? Heart है. Butterfly है ना?
Butterfly.
मैंने भी butterfly दी है. हम लोग same सोचते हैं.
Best friends for you.
Now I have this one. What is this? Oh, this looks cute. Oh, this is cute. It's a corset. I like it. I think it's cute. और मुझे guess करने दो. I think कि इशिता ने भेजा है.
So first gift is very obvious. वो बॉटल जो अभी तक आई नहीं है बट मुझे पता चल गया वो क्या है एंड वो मुस्कान
You have
yes, I'm recording and I love that. मेरे को बॉटल चाहिए थी क्योंकि मेरी वाली लीक करने लगी है. So thank you very much. So this one no guesses at all. This is very obvious who has given it to me and it's very obvious what it is. ये जिस दिन आया था मुझे उसी दिन समझ आ गया था. Very thoughtful gift. Thank you Ritika. Kettle. Unbox it.
It is because तूने एकदम starting में बोला
I
था
know.
guys send me something useful और उससे पहले ही मैंने सोच लिया था ना
जो है-
क्योंकि तू मेरे घर आती थी और जब तू मुस्सू के घर आई थी तूने दोनों जगह बोला था केटल कितनी यूजफुल है यार.
That is very thoughtful. That is actually very thoughtful given कि मुझे literally हर महीने सर्दी होती है और मैं हमेशा गैस से पानी गर्म करती हूँ.
Yay!
So this is the next gift. What is this? Oh, these are goggles. Oh, these are specs. Bhai, this is so helpful.
इस पे नंबर डलवा के आना होगा.
Okay.
वाह.
Okay, मैं यूनिफॉर्म लग रही हूँ. Pleasantly surprised. रितिका को इतनी चीजें याद रहती हैं and उसने मुझे क्यूट सी utility
सब
gift
कुछ याद रहते हैं.
Okay, thank you. Next gift is it's so cute. There's a cat inside.
Oh.
Oh, so this is Ritika then. This is so
मुझे
cute.
stop giving every reaction like
This
that.
is so cute. Thank you. इसमें मैं matcha पीऊंगी obviously. It's actually cup नहीं है guys by the way क्योंकि मैंने सारे cups यहाँ use कर चुके हैं. I think this is from Muskan.
Yeah, this is from me.
It's 3 things.
These are all gym t-shirts of different sizes.
Thank you. This is
Oh.
perfect. Perfectly flawless as always. Bonkers. I am the main character. Whoa. And this is black.
That is Baby Yoda.
Actually, all very useful. You guys.
हो गए इशिता सारे.
एक वो bottle रहती है, but yes.
आया और वो डिलीवरी नहीं है. So it is this.
Oh.
So now I'll open my remaining gifts. एक ये है. Oh, this is definitely इशिता. ये वो माचा बनाने का I was actually googling कि ये कहाँ से आते थे. I thought कि काफी महंगा है तो मैंने खरीदा नहीं था. Thank you Ishita. And now I have this one. Ooh. Oh wow, this is अपना कैसे भी shape ले लेता है ना ये. I love this. I love this. ये कुछ भी shape ले लेता है. And this is Ishita, उसकी smile देख के मुझे लग रहा है. And इसके आगे सांप भी बने हुए हैं. जिससे मैं इशिता को हिस करूंगी. And then I think this is the last one. Finally my gym. This is a skirt. Oh.
It is a tennis skirt because on your vision board there it said.
Very cute. I love it. Okay, I think I've opened everything. And I like everything. Thank you.
Third gift, which I have opened pehle. I'm sorry, I thought this was my order. But I think this is my favorite. जत्ते मतलब अभी तक मैंने जितने देखे हैं.
अच्छी नहीं लगेंगी.
These are my favorite till now. And this fits perfectly in my hair. Next. I got a stone.
Open. Yeah.
This is different.
Matches. This is a scarf, but it's not the same print that I ordered.
हाँ, it is different.
It's not.
No, it's not.
But I guess I wanted to gift you a scarf.
I did not like जो उसने भेजा था.
The print was prettier. अभी exchange.
नहीं, this is prettier. This is prettier.
The next one, which I got just now.
Okay, so I will have to interject here. This is hair clips holder.
I didn't know we had hair clips holder. This is perfect. Wait. Gotten a pink cap. Ritika, did you order this? I'm going to Kasoli tomorrow, so I'll wear it in Kasoli. Thank you, Ishita.
Next.
Somebody gifted me a coloring book. Ritika, did you gift me a coloring book? Yeah, it's the best.
And I've seen you read gods and goddesses का mythology and stuff, इसलिए मैंने ये दिया.
It is Kanaji ka coloring book. Oh, thank you. Time for my last gift. Of course, Ritika, you ordered this.
I want you to open it. इसके अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें.
There is a unicorn pouch for everyone on Ritika's YouTube channel. I'm not a 2-year-old baby, but I love unicorn. It has a unicorn rubber and pens. I love कि मेरे gifting choices is similar to my 3-year-old nephew. I love it. And it has a badge on. Aaj I was telling someone that I want exactly this.
It is coming to you on Monday. Musu has a party to go to. Bye. Happy Galentine's. Guys, मैं इशिता को ये अलग अलग तरह से पहन के दिखा रही हूँ सांप. So guys, this is what I'm wearing. Basically, I'm wearing these pants over my shorts. And I'm just heading to the gym. I'll wear an overcoat just for on the way and then I'll remove it there. And this is my cute bottle which is empty. Now I'm just gonna grab my protein and a few things that I need for the gym and then let's go. So I'm back from the gym and I was feeling pukish today. I don't know why. So I just skipped 2 exercises. I did my stretching and I came home. And I've had some ajwain now and I'm feeling a little better. But I'm also feeling really sleepy. I'm just gonna have dinner and I'll take a shower. I also had to wash my head today. But I'm just not in that zone. But I think my hair is like way too oily right now. So I do need a wash. But anyway, we'll have dinner first. And I removed my pants at the gym because they were like too warm and too loose. And I was not able to squat properly in them. So yeah. So I've finally taken a shower and I also washed my hair. I'm just gonna comb now. They're all out of place. I have also done my nighttime skincare. I'm just putting on some lip oil and look how cute is this. Like, oh shit. I can never not be clumsy. And I should have applied the lip oil after combing my hair. Now it's just sticking on my lips. Putting some leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna do my nighttime journaling now, just like a recap of how my day went, and I write a few affirmations and things I'm grateful for. So I'm gonna do that now. So my journaling is done, and now I'm gonna do some reading. I've been reading this book, Buy Yourself the Damn Flowers, and it makes so much sense to read this on Valentine's. But I really feel that I'm kind of in a position where I have achieved the self love. Like, I'm not someone who doubts myself anymore. I am confident in myself. So, this book is just, a little unnecessary for me personally, but I'm like still reading it. I just want to see how it goes. Like, I had confidence issues in the past, but not anymore. So, just I don't know. I'm just reading it for the sake of reading it. I'm done with my reading. I'm gonna go off to sleep now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I had such a fun day. I love Galentine's. I love my best friends, and I had such a good day doing that Pinterest activity and unboxing the presents. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.